welcome back to the channel. This will be the second of 5 tutorials on how to make felt flowers. Today I'll be showing you how to make a flower called Anemone. For this project you'll need a glue gun and glue stick, 11" by 1" acrylic felt strip, a 9" by 12" acrylic felt sheet, a cardboard template, a pencil, and scissors. We're going to start off with our 9 by 12" felt sheet and 11 by 1" felt strip. Set your felt sheet aside and grab your scissors. Carefully cut diagonal slits halfway into your strip and repeat this process along the edge of the entire strip. If you watched our previous flower tutorial, you'll notice that this is very similar to making our rolled up flowers. Continue cutting until you have something that looks like this. You will then take this felt strip and start rolling it up like we did in our first flower tutorial. Make sure that the bottom part of the strip is aligned evenly as you roll. Once you get to the end of the roll, grab your glue gun and secure your felt with a dab of glue. Gently hold until the glue is dry. You should be left with something that looks like this. We can now set this aside. Next, we will need to make 8 felt petals. As you can see, I've already pre-cut my petals using this template. I would recommend making your own template, cutting a partial teardrop shape, or grab a 3" by 3" piece of felt and use it as a guideline for sketching out your petal. Make sure that the top of your petal is flat. Once you've cut all of your petals, bring back the centerpiece from the beginning, grab your glue gun and gently attach your first petal. You're going to repeat this process and evenly distribute 4 petals around the base of the flower. You will then take your remaining 4 petals and glue them in between the open spaces of your first layer of petals. Once you've completed that, you should be left with something that looks like this. Try your own funky color combinations and add this flower to your collection. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, the links will be provided in the product description below. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.